die!
I got split up.
Fuck. Evacuate the building.
No, don't die, don't die! Oh, there's him too! Oh, man.
He's in the last. Fuck. Oh fuck you, I was trying to fucking get past the door. You couldn't.
Get up here, you get hit.
There's some people who can go fucking fight. Oh my god.
You did it to me. You started it.
Man, we to disarm the fucking public. People cannot be trusted. Yeah, we kill each other.
Okay.
Horse.
Yeah, there's two large axles.
What? Oh no. Okay, we're gonna. Oh.
Guys, there's a giant room.
Run! Oh. D6.
You suck my battleship? Look at the guns!
Oh my god, we're behind you. Don't look, don't stare though. Do not stare though. Look down his feet.
Good campfire story.
It's like an interrogation.
Oh, that too. Yeah, that works. Swing my finger. You're poking at his nipple. I just realized why have we got like harnesses on? Oh, it's for like the oxygen tank. Okay, that kind of makes sense, I guess.
Oh, hello.
It's okay, stick in twos. It'll be okay if we stick together.
No. Abby, oh my
Oh,
god.
bug me!
Abby, go, I'll hold them off. Whoa. Come. On the corner. Get this bitch to one right now. Oh, we're surrounded. Human resources? I repeat, human resources? Oh shit.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street. And the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard.
Okay, so I have to go there. Okay, monkey friend. Cover me! Cover me!
Jesus.
Fuck! What happened? We were fighting. We're supposed to be fighting. Oh my god! Oh my god! Shh.
Bean! Bean! Chewiwis! Bro, he said Chewiwis, she said no. That doesn't need Chewiwis!
A boat on a
I'm gonna go the other way.
You can fire, right? You can fire.
Okay.
Oh, they are.
Holy fuck.
Okay, Lan, I got it. There's a worm.
Mate, of course she's got the bacon
Chewies.
tray. Chewies! She said it. She said
Right.
Chewie. She said Chewie. She said Chewie.
Chewies. What's the shop? Chewies.
Where is she
Why is it so funny?
How is it?
I mean, Chewies.
You're so funny, bro.
Mate, it was so funny, Abby, we were actually pissing ourselves, yeah, because Alan didn't know I was messaging you, and you just kept going, Chewies! you're like, how do I do this? Chewies! Bro, where did you die? Chewies! Fine, right.
Gucci, 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 look. Gucci, My little buddy.
How do we get out of here?
My little buddy friend.
This way. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in it. What the hell?
He's vomiting!
Bro, chuck him off the edge. Over here.
Bro, I think he knows. I think he knows.
Uh-oh.
Like, just...
Squatting blocks.
By you? Oh my god.
Any cheaters? What the fuck, I gotta make this a giant. Uh-oh, I did. How you thought, bro? What you thought?
Hold up! Upper.
Come in.
Abba. Hatapataka.
Papa. Papa.
Get down for a game.
Head snapped over here. You went.
Don't go in there. There's a man here and there's a flower man. Just grab that and go back.
Oh my god. Abby. What the fuck? Yeah, it looks like he's dead. If he's dead, he's gonna watch me give you back shots.
Hi, Lan. I fell between it.
Why did you send it up? Abby? I'm looking at it, I swear.
Hi. Ryan, what the fuck is this? Get away from me, get away from me, get away from me.
Oh, just shrimp. Give it food, give it something. Oh.